Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you're going to have to open up the Trust Wallet application, and then you are going to be redirected to this page once you have created or logged into your wallet, and then just click on sell. And now you just have to choose your crypto, which is USDT in this case. And then once you have done that guys, you just have to search and select the crypto assets you want to sell, which in this case is USDT. You have already done that. And then just choose your currency, enter the amount, and select a payment provider. And once you have done that guys, complete the remaining steps to sell your USDT. Once you have completed all the steps, your USDT will be successfully sold, and you will receive an email as well that you used while creating your Trust Wallet account. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.